Here is the GameTech. Yes, GameTech Silicone case for the Nintendo Switch. Jump to the unboxing table. Switch it up.
I gave my hand for you to hold.
So here it is. Literally, yes, here it is. Now let me open it and then let me show you. Okay, let me put on my Nintendo Switch. Where's my Nintendo Switch? My Nintendo Switch is here. Okay, here we go. First let me put this one like this. Okay, okay, definitely okay. Okay, and then now let me put on the Joy-Con. Okay, here we go. Okay, and second Joy-Con. Okay, now let me just slide in. Okay, and let me see this one. Okay, I think so. Now it's, I mean, what I will say is quite comfortable. I mean, I can easily take it off. Can I take it off? Can I take? Okay, play like this however I want. Can I recommend this one? Wow, definitely yes, I can recommend it. Geek can recommend it. It was me, Geek. Make sure to subscribe and bye.
Yeah.